welcome back to yet another video. I'm with my boy. Very late, we're supposed to be here at 9. This guy got here at 10:30. I have a surprise for my boy. What do you think it is though?
Some modification on the car. Oh, what? Boy, come here, boy.
You see, Neo is too affectionate. I don't like this affection.
This is my boy. Guys, look at this. It's like, where am I gonna put the stickers though?
You can put it here.
I'm gonna go for this. Don't worry, guys. But yeah, my boy got me early Christmas present. But I know something way more is coming.
Definitely.
Christmas. But don't worry, boy, I have something coming up for you as well.
Okay.
You guys just watch. Maybe not today, but something hot is coming for the boy.
Okay.
Stay tuned for that, you know?
Alright.
Make sure to like and subscribe so that you guys will see that on a further date. But yeah, don't miss out on that. Something hot is coming.
Sweet.
Yeah. Thanks.
So yeah guys, we have made it to Gas Monkey. Technically one of the cleanest E30s I've ever seen. But look at the paint on us, gents. Super clean. Interior. On bags. I know you guys love bags. Look at the mags. Oh man. This guy over here, that should have bought a box. He's not buying a box anymore. Look at him. Hi, this guy. And then here we have a twin cam, 20 valve. Mind you guys, I'm even planning on making this or buying one and dailying it because that car over there is too much. So I plan on buying a 20 valve RXI. Probably not gonna bake it, but make it very potent. Mr. Mix, I have something to offer you.
Why are you making it so sentimental? Dog, just give it away.
Oh. You go, buddy.
What is that?
It's the dream. It's the dream. It's gonna come true because I've got this. It's coming true.
Right?
It's coming true.
We're gonna have.
We're gonna have one sitting next to that one.
We're gonna have to.
This is gonna go on the M3.
But that's cool.
This is beautiful. Ah, my brother.
And then over here we have a Ford Fiesta. I'm assuming on bags. There's no way that this guy is on coilovers. On the rotiforms. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about these rotiforms. I think they're cool. And then over here we have a Seat. I think this is the Leon, I'm not too sure. Oh, that's the Cupra. And then here we have a Civic, which I assume is again super crazy. I don't know much about Civics, guys, but yeah. Over here we have this, I don't know what this is, with huge tires, boss. Yeah. This is with a roll cage in the back. Yep. So over here guys we have a custom Ford F100. This is super crazy. It sounds crazy. Look where the exhaust stops are. Jesus Christ. Another one on the other side. But yeah, this is me. Look at this. Ooh, the creativity for me, boy. Look at this. Hey boy, check the side mirrors. How creative is this? What do you think?
Looks dope. With nails. And chain.
Who would have thought of it? This guy.
did.
Yeah. Never go wrong. So yeah guys, there's not much cars at this event, so I'm not sure what else to show you guys, but I hope you guys are liking the video so far. Please give it a like, comment, subscribe, and share the video also. Tell your oma, your opa, your auntie. And it's hot, I'm tired, but yeah, let's do this. Yeah guys, so here we have a 280 ZX. Yeah, no, that thing is super clean. I know I'm keep on saying super clean in all my videos lately, but yeah. What do you think? Huh?
I'm saying like, are these original Watanabe?
Yo, check this Beetle out. Retro, looks crazy. Looks mad. Oh, and then look at the interior also. This is dope.